I'm Elsa.
I'm Bob.
Today
We are going
to
to
make a cake.
yes. Then ingredients is eggs,
Flour,
and oil.
and the sugar.
Yes. And step 1. Separate the egg white
and the yolk. And yolk.
Step 2. Mix yolk, sugar,
Oil, flour,
flour,
then
Vanilla.
vanilla
extract. And step 3. Whisk the egg white. Step 4. Blend the egg white into the mixture. Step 5. Preheat the oven at 160 to 180
Degree.
C.
okay.
First.
Degree.
Step 6. Put the cake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes.
I'm Vanessa.
I'm Yuna.
How to make cake?
We need eggs, flour, oil, and sugar.
Step 1. Spread the egg white and yolk.
Step 2. Mix your sugar, oil, flour, egg, vanilla extract.
Step 5. Preheat the oven at 106 to 180 Celsius degrees.
First, step 6. Put the cake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes.
Listen to music. Thanks for this.
I'm Albert.
I'm Kevin.
I'll tell you how to make a cake.
We need eggs, sugar, flour, and oil.
First, mix milk, sugars, yolk, and flours together.
Then mix egg white and sugar together
Mix A and B together.
and put it in the oven.
Finish.
For 20 minutes.